the urge to sneeze hits you, there is little you can do to stop it, especially if you're suffering from a cold or seasonal allergies. And try as you might, the volume of your sneeze is uncontrollable too. That earth-shattering sound for someone who is close by will just have to be what it is. According to sneeze gurus, the loudness of a person's sneeze depends on their lung capacity, size, and how long they can hold their breath for. So what exactly is a sneeze? We know it is a sudden burst of air expelled from the lungs through the nose and mouth, but how does this all happen? Sneezing is the result of inflammation in the trigeminal nerve in the nose. This nerve is linked to the sneeze center of the brainstem and sends signals that prompt a person to sneeze. It usually occurs when something like dust or pollen irritates the mucous membranes of the nose and throat, with such reflex looking to remove whatever is causing the irritation. Sneezing generally begins when your immune system releases chemicals such as histamine or leukotrienes due to the presence of allergens, or to fight infections from foreign pathogens like the common cold and flu viruses. These chemicals bind to receptors on the trigeminal nerve and cause the allergic reaction symptom of sneezing. Sneezing is commonly a symptom of a cold or allergy, and if it occurs, will spread viruses like a cold or flu by effectively spreading aerosol-like droplets containing the viruses that cause the infection in the first place, which may potentially be inhaled by healthy individuals. Sneezing occurs when the mucous membranes inside your nose or throat are irritated, and there are a few factors that can cause these mucous membranes to be irritated, which include allergy to pollen, commonly known as hay fever, mould, dander and dust, viruses like the common cold or flu for example, or triggers such as air pollution, dry air, spicy foods or powders. Did you know that a single sneeze can produce up to 40,000 droplets? There are many superstitions about sneezing. One of these is the belief that if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will come out of your head. But fortunately, especially after personally having tried it, this simply isn't true. Most people naturally close their eyes when they sneeze as a reflex rather than necessity. We can assure you that if you keep your eyes open, your eyeballs will stay firmly planted in your head. As your eyes have muscles holding them in place, it is not just your eyelids holding them. Although the blood pressure behind your eyes does slightly increase when you sneeze, it is not enough to dislodge your eyeballs from your head. So while you should always try to cover your nose and mouth when sneezing to keep others from catching any germs, you don't need to worry about keeping your eyes shut. Thank you for watching with those eyeballs of yours, and until next time, goodbye for now.